Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you come in, make sure you say hello to me. Let me know you're watching. If you are catching the replay, give me a hashtag replay. If you are catching me live, you will see that big red box in the upper left-hand corner that says live. So you can ask me any questions while we're on live and I'll answer them for you right away. You guys, I would love it if you'd share this video if you think it's the coolest thing. And if you're checking me out on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe. So, hey guys, happy Thursday. It's already Thursday. It's the afternoon. I have to tell you, I like this afternoon chalking because then I can get stuff done at night. But, you know, it doesn't always work that way, and that's totally okay. So, for those of you who are new, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for liking my page. Thank you so much, blah, blah, blah. Thank you so much for catching me live. This is a company that is called Chalk Couture. So, real quick, let me tell you what we are. We are a DIY home decor and crafting company that you won't find our products anywhere else. We offer silkscreen reusable transfers, and I did say reusable. And then we have our Chalkology chalk paste. And then we have our Couture inks. Now we do offer several surfaces like chalkboards, box wood frame, canvas pillowcases, and totes. But you can use our products on an array of surfaces, you guys. You can do this on wood, glass, tin, dry erase board. You can do it on cardstock. You can make t-shirts. You can make dish towels. Again, the list can go on and on. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is a home business opportunity for $99. You guys, you get this amazing kit that you're going to see right here. There are 8 transfers, 5 chalk paste, 2 surfaces, your catalog, your squeegee, your apron, everything you need to get your business started for $99. That is like so amazing. This kit is so much bigger than the kit that I got when I first started. I wish I could rejoin again. And let me tell you, you guys, the opportunity is life-changing. So if you are watching me today and you think this is really cool, maybe you are a crafter already, you do craft shows, you have a craft blog, this is a great addition to that business. You guys, there are many ways to run this, and I would definitely love to share that information with you. So just comment join below or info below, and I'll definitely reach out to you. So let me get this all set up. So today's project, honestly, this is going to be like super quick. You're going to be like, what? But this is how cool that you can make this DIY home decor. So like when you go to those, you know, the craft stores or, you know, the Home Goods, the Pier 1s, and you see all those beautiful signs, well, now you can make them yourself. Hey, Deidre, welcome. Happy chalking. So this board, though, is something I'm going to tell you about. So this is actually one of our chalkboards that we offer from Chalk Couture. This is our Aiden chalkboard. This is an 18 by 24 chalkboard. And let me tell you, when you want to talk about the Cadillac or the high-end chalkboards, this is actually what you're talking about. So this would be a piece that you would want to buy and that you would be able to change out. So like when you walk into your home, if you have that statement piece there, maybe for each and every holiday you want to change it out, that would definitely be this board. This is a porcelain steel magnetic chalkboard, and our boards itself, these ones here, have a 50-year warranty on them. I am telling you, they're gorgeous. It has a beautiful distressed frame. So like, you know, it looks like it was antiqued or whatever you want to call it. And I just have to tell you, I love these chalkboards. Again, this is a statement piece. This is a piece that you're going to keep for a long time. But the beauty of it is, with our products, is you have the opportunity to change them for each and every season. So that's what I love about these beautiful Aiden boards that we have. So what I'm going to be doing for you today is something for the kitchen. Now again, great kitchen piece. This would even be cute on the inside of your kitchen cabinet door, right? How perfect is that? This one is called our Kitchen Conversations is what it's called. I was like, is that conversion? It says Conversations. So that's what this one is called. And really super easy on the back of all of our transfers. it gives you the directions. So it tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. Again, when you're done with these transfers, you clean them off with water, you wipe them down with a Clorox wipe, and then you let them air dry. And you usually can get 8 to 15 uses out of one of these transfers. So let me get this opened up. My gosh, you guys, it's already 11 o'clock. Holy cow. Hey, Jennifer, how are you? This day is like flying by. I have to go into work for a couple hours to do a couple training calls today. And I'm like, holy cow, I got to go to the post office. I got to get to work. I got to come home and get Matthew. Hey, Sandy. Hey, Susan. So all I'm doing now is I'm just writing on the back of my transfer so I know which side of the carrier sheet that my transfer will go on. Okay, so you always want to do that. And then I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to rub it over the edge. Like I'm pushing down and rubbing it just to get my transfer started. Do you see that? I will flip this over and then I will remove your carrier sheet. Susan, your chalk box is on its way. Your monthly chalk box. So super exciting. Wait till you see it. You guys are going to love this month. Now, real quick, if you guys forget to write on the back of your transfer, there are 2 different sides. One has, you see that super shiny, one's super shiny, and then the other's kind of a matte. The shiny side is actually what side your transfer will go back on in case you forget to write on it. Okay? I'm going to put this to the side. So you guys, like I was just saying to Susan, I have a private VIP group if you're interested in being in there. It is for customers only. Sorry, no designers. But I do offer a monthly chalk box subscription. So not only can you have our Club Couture subscription, I personally have one for a lot of my customers. And if you're interested in that, just comment VIP and I will send you the link to my VIP group. So each and every month, you'll get your surface, you'll get your transfer, and you'll get a set of chalk paste singles that will help you create a design. So super awesome if you're interested in that. So all I'm doing now is using our super awesome fuzzing cloth, and I'm fuzzing up this transfer because I have to tell you, it's definitely sticky. I don't know if you guys can see that. This one's really, really sticky today. So I'm just fuzzing this up. Okay, I'm going to put that off to the side. And this is going to be so quick. You guys are going to be like, what? And then I'm just going to take it and I'm going to place it right on my surface where I want it. And you can, if you don't like your placement, you guys, you absolutely can pick it up. Oh, it's still really sticky. I just want to make sure I'm even. I don't want it to be crooked. Wow, are you sticky? You are a sticky little transfer today. Sorry. Yes, I'm talking to my transfer. I'm a little crazy today. Picking this part, this side back up, and then I'm just going to press this down. So how I like to do my transfers, if you guys ever get stuck to where, like you see how little difficult that was, you wanted to place it in the right place, you had a bubble here, I always try to get like one side down nice and even, and then I'll pick up the other side, and then just kind of take my hands and go down with it. Like I'll go down on one side, then I'll go down on the other, and then you just want to make sure that all of your silk screen areas that you can see through, you want to make sure there's no air bubbles in those, okay? That's the only place you're looking for that. All of this outside green here doesn't even matter. Okay, pressing that down. And you guys, this is going to be quick. You're going to be like, you're kidding me, right? So I'm going to use our white Chalkology chalk paste. Yeah, I thought so. This one's empty. Oopsies. That one's empty. Got to break open a new one. So when you get a new chalk paste, it's always exciting because it's always fresh and exciting. New chalk paste. So I'm just removing that little seal that it comes with. Sometimes it's a little messy. It's all good. And then let me get it off my fingers. It's a little messy. And then I'm going to take you could use one of the stir sticks. I'm actually going to use my multi-purpose tool because this one is brand new and it's full. And you just want to stir it up and make sure all the pigments, and you get those little air bubbles. Can you hear that? That's all air bubbles in there. You just want to get that all blended together. Okay? Now your chalk paste, you want it to be a yogurt sour cream consistency. So if for any reason, oh, I got to get down there. Do you hear that? If for any reason it isn't, you're just going to add a little bit of water. And again, you're just stirring it up to get that good consistency. This is too thick for me. And I know this is really full, but oopsies. That's okay. It's all good. It happens. Oh, goodness, Jennifer. It's so cute, Tammy. Like, I think this would be cute on, like, the inside of your kitchen cabinet. I do. I think that would be awesome. All right, so I've got that all stirred up. And then, truthfully, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take big globs and stick it on my board. So I'm just using my little stir sticks, making big blobs, because I'm doing this all in one color. If you want to do it in different colors, you absolutely can. Entirely up to you, you guys. I'm just doing one color. But if you are doing different colors, you're going to probably want to do the chalk and peel. Now, I'm just using our large 4-inch squeegee because it's all one color and it's a large design. And look at how quick and easy this does this. It's insane. Like, seriously. And then I've got way too much. So I'm going to scrape this off and put it right back in my jar. No wasting your chalk paste. Up or down, left to right. This is crazy how quick this is going. Excess back in your jar. Ooh, I'm making a mess today. Making a mess. All right, so now I'm actually going to get one of my smaller squeegees. Real quick. Oh, that's not a small squeegee. I got to hurry up. Your chalk paste dries quick, you guys. So you always got to try to make sure you don't want that drying on your surface. I just want to get off any excess. I'm a paste hoarder. I keep my excess. Calling myself names on Facebook Live. Then you want to get one of your corners. Get it started up. And remember, top to bottom. And this is a larger design, so it'll probably be easier to go top to bottom. Okay, and it's very sticky. But here we go. Craziness. Look how awesome that looks. This is so crazy. It's super sticky. I should have fuzzed it just a little bit more. Okay, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so amazing. Oh, it's sticky. Ta-da! All right, and then I'm going to take this transfer. I'm going to put it right in my little tub of water. I'm actually going to do it this way. And then I'm going to clean this up. And I can reuse it, so if I wanted to put it on a kitchen cabinet, I totally could. I think that would be so awesome. So that's it, you guys. Look at that. I've got this beautiful sign. I don't know if you can see how crisp and clear the lettering is. That is so awesome. I absolutely love it. And you know what I love? What's really great about our transfers? Obviously, number one, yes, they are all reusable. So let me show you. I have my transfer right here. Whoa. In a tub of water. There's my transfer. What I'm going to do is I will take it out of the water. I will wipe it off with a Clorox wipe. I'll let it air dry. And then you usually get 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. So I hope that answered your question, Kaylana. Thank you, Deidre. Thank you, Tammy. So the beauty of this is, number one, there are two things what I love about the silkscreen transfers. One, there is no weeding. So I did not have to weed anything as far as my letters. Number two, the other beauty of the silkscreen, do you see the detailing? Do you see these little detailings that make it look distressed? Those are actually all within that transfer. So if I pulled that transfer back out after I cleaned it, I could show you, like, these little markings are all supposed to be there because that is part of the transfer, and that silkscreen is what gives all the character to your designs, you guys. Now, the other thing, like I was saying, if you absolutely wanted to, you could totally change out this board, make it a different color, as long as you have not sealed your surface. If I want to make this permanent, this is what I use. It's a Krylon clear sealer. It's an aerosol spray. Oh, I got chalk paste all over me. That's so funny. It's a clear sealer. You can buy these at any, hey Shalene, thanks for watching, Michael's, Lowe's, Walmart, they all have this sealer. You would just spray this and that would make your design permanent. But again, the beauty of our products is that you can change it all the time, and then you can always come back to your design and redo it because the transfers are all reusable. So you guys, like I said, if you're interested in being a part of my VIP group, you can comment VIP. If you want to learn more information about being a designer like myself and create beautiful things like this, you guys, I've only been talking for 15 minutes and it took me less than that to do this beautiful design. I would love to share that information with you. I am telling you, it has been life-changing for myself and my family and many of the members on my team. And I would love to be on this journey with you. So thanks so much for sticking around and watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. And other than that, you guys, stay tuned because starting Sunday, I'm going to be doing a 40-day chalking event. So I'm going to go live for 40 days. There's a challenge going on with myself and a bunch of the girls on my team where we're going to go live for 40 days and talk about something chalk, do chalking products, show you the things we got. So it's going to be all about chalking for 40 whole days straight. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, have a great rest of your Thursday, and I'll chalk with you soon.